I had to run into AutoZone. You need one of those, a ball joint separator or fork. So make sure you have this tool before you start your project. All right, let's go back. Work on the drain wake. Woo! Finally! No, about time. No more arms sore before I have this tool. Drop my fish. You need one of these. Alright, go back, put a new one on. Alright, got one off. Here's why we're replacing. Yeah. That one's okay, but squish. Alright, let's go get a new one out of the box. Hey! Hey! Alright. Here's the compare. We'll take that boot fan off. We're going to measure it to match exactly the same length. And then we'll check that steering. Alright, got it on. Now I'm just trying to grease it up. Now is a good time. Grease ball joint. Here, and then same thing the other side. So now we had a room to connect with the wheels on. So I cannot connect the grease on with the wheels on. Yep. Oh, there's my face. Sorry about that. Alright, we'll get closer to finish the project. Alright, let's grease it up. That's what she said. Let's do this. Alright, after install, I noticed my steering wheel is a little crooked. So a few more turns, and we're back straight. Beautiful. Alright, now I'll go back down there. Alright, now we got steering wheels nice and even, center. We'll retighten the 2-bolt 15mm socket and 46-pound torque. 46 pound with the torque wrench. Alright, so we get to back work. There you go. Let's try this way. Alright, there you go. Boom! Teraflex premium heavy duty drain wink. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Don't forget to smash a like and subscribe if you want to see more project to work on this bad boy. Alright, see ya.